That was Dreamsville by Henry Mancini. So I've got a fairly simple guitar arrangement for you to work out, and feel free to adapt this and make it your own. But this would be a good starting place to begin with this tune. Please like and subscribe if you do enjoy this video. It does help out the channel, and consider the member area as well. All right, well, let's get started. Okay, so we'll start with the intro part, and this is originally piano, but we're going to try it out on guitar. And of course, the intro is optional. You could change the intro if you liked, or start right on it, but we'll go over this. So we're going to start with playing into the 8 from 7 with a grace note. So okay, and then in the next measure, we're going to go from 8 to 9. Okay, so same rhythm, same kind of phrasing, but a couple of different notes. Okay, moving on to the next couple of measures. We'll start with this first measure, measure 3. Again, some grace notes here. So okay, and then this next part we're gonna start, so this would be measure 4. We're gonna do another grace note slide into fret 12. So we're gonna play like this. Then we're gonna change our position. Change our position again. Okay, and then we're going to land on this next chord. So that gives us C major 9. Now, if you decide that you want to do a different intro or not do the intro at all, then you might place finger 4 on string 3, fret 4. But the reason I had this open is that that line that we just played kind of wants to resolve to that string 3 open. So I kept this open at this part of the arrangement. So we play this C. Overall, the chord is going to be kind of a C major 9, but in this arrangement right at this moment, it's really kind of a C add 9. Okay, and then we're going to play finger 4 on string 1. Okay, and then we're going to go to position 3. Okay, and then now we'll move up. So C major 9. Okay, we're gonna have the G minor 7. And remember, so the harmony, the chord symbols show us the overall harmony or implied harmony. So this is assumed to be played with backing track or with a live rhythm section. So here we have G minor, so it's kind of G minor 11. And then we go to F sharp 9. Now we have C minor 9, F7 flat 9, D minor 7, E flat minor 9. Okay, so here we have the E minor 11, A7 flat 9. Gonna pivot over to the D minor 11, D minor 7, G7 flat 9. We also have a flat 5, and then the G9. So that ends out the A section. Okay, so we have C major 9, pivoting over with from the other fingers, getting the 4th finger to the string 1. Third position. C major 9 again. Bringing fourth finger over to string 1, fret 3. Okay. G minor 11. F sharp 9. C minor 9. F7 flat 9. D minor 7. Keeping the string 2 ringing and moving the lower 3 notes up a half step. Okay, now we have D minor 9. Okay, we have D flat 9, sharp 11, C major 9. All right, now we're coming up on the bridge here, so we have a couple of pickup notes into that section. Okay, I'm gonna play here in 4th position. Move up to 7th position. Okay, move down to 5th position for the B7 flat 9 as a raised 5th. Okay, still B7 flat 9. And then we're going to play here with the E minor 9. Strum that 2 times. Okay, and then we're going to try to keep that note ringing on top, string 1, and play these 3 notes on the A7 flat 9, and then we're going to bring our finger away from first string to catch the melody note of string 1 open. Then we have F sharp minor 7, B minor 7, excuse me. Going to F9, kind of F13 really. Then we're going to move down a fret, G sharp half diminished. Move up to position 9. Move to position 3. Okay, then we'll plant third finger on string 1, fret 4. Move into 4th position for the F sharp half diminished, and then we B7 flat 9. Now we have E minor 7 flat 5 or E half diminished. Okay, moving up, that was 2nd position, so moving up to 5th position. Okay, now we have A7. So we have a flat 9 and a flat 5 here. Then we get the natural 5. D minor 7 flat 5. Okay, now we're going to the G7 flat 5 flat 9 and then the natural 5. This next section is the same as the second A section. Okay. G minor 9. Of a G minor 11. Okay, back to the C major 9. G minor 11. F sharp 9. C minor 9. That's actually going to be our next chord. Okay, so C minor 9. Just playing that once, but I'll play that again for you. Okay, F7 flat 9. D minor 7. Pivoting from finger 4, moving the lower 3 notes up a half step. Okay, and then we have the D minor 9. Okay, and then we have the D flat 7, we're going with a natural 9 here, and a sharp 11. And then the C major 9. Thanks again for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a great practice session.